Hi, welcome to the TC. My name's David, and today I'm going to be actually going to the Apple Store to pick up my new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, let's go.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay, so we're going to be unboxing the clear case first. So, this is the official Apple clear case, as you can see here. And we pull this pull tab up. A top tip, if you like to keep your boxes in pretty pristine condition, you can literally just pull up on the tab and it won't destroy it. Here's the case, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty much a clear case, so you kind of know what to expect. The thing that's nice with Apple's clear cases is that I've noticed that they don't actually yellow, and all the other clear cases I've used yellowed, so that's why I went with the official case. You can see here is the camera control button. Apple's official cases actually have a sapphire insert in them, so it's basically the same as the button on the phone, so you get full functionality. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the clear case. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the phone itself. So I got the white titanium here. I was debating between natural and desert, but ultimately the white one really called to me because of just how clean it looked. The desert one in the store was definitely more of like a rose kind of blush color. It kind of reminds me of like a makeup palette or like a band-aid. So I'm definitely glad I went with white. And once you're in the box, of course you're presented with the phone. And there is the USB-C cable. This is a braided cable. And that you do get some paperwork, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, you don't get Apple stickers anymore with the 16 series, which is a huge bummer, considering that was kind of a hallmark of the iPhone experience. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's a really quick one, but basically it's just an unboxing. But if you guys have any questions that you want answered, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to include them in my full review of the phone, as well as answering any comments that you might have down below. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you liked what you saw, leave a like down below and subscribe to see more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Say